So to log into the software, I will come into the main hub, which is our website. Then I will click right here. I'll go into software tools. I will come over here down where it says software list login. And over here you will get a listing of all of our tools that you have access to. You actually look for the one that you have access to, and the one we are looking for right now is a video cover taboo. Once I log in, this screen will come in, and actually over here I already have my son's actually user ID to get in, so I'm just gonna use his, and I'm just gonna click right in, and boom, here I am inside the video cover Taboo software. And as you can see, there is several templates that you can use and create your video covers very quickly. And as I've said before, this is a very awesome video cover creator that you can use and add them on top of your website or any social media or online business profiles that supports it. And you can even have these videos that you'll be able to create over here posted on some form of digital billboards or LED screens for promotion for your business. So rather than just talking too much about it, let me just dive right in and actually create one or show you how to use it very quickly. So I'm just gonna use this template right here. Okay, so it's showing me this template. So I'll click create video. I'm using that template. Okay, so this screen comes up, and my idea here is that I will want to create something, for instance, a quick video cover for my wife's beauty salon and the nail services that she offers in her salon. So here are the various templates that I can use. So I can just pick one here. For example, let me just pick this one. Okay, so right here I'll just click on create video. So over here pretty much what I'll do is I'll change this image so that it can be changed on the video itself and add in my own words here, and then click next, or actually I'll enter words here as well and then here as well, add the photo that pertains to my business and click next. And dependent on the number of scenes that I have, I just keep doing the same thing over and over until I'm done with this. So over here I'm just gonna select one of the images that I already have. Okay, for my wife's beauty salon. The image is loading. Here it is. Okay, if the image is not nicely set up, I can actually crop it if I want, but this one is already nicely done. As you can see, it already updated it here nicely for the video cover. So since my wife is not in the steel business, so I will just replace this wording with something like your one-stop hub. Enough with that. To superior nail services. Okay, and then I will just click next. So over here on scene 2, I will again select another image that pertains to my business. So I'll browse over here, and here I have actually in the background created a different image. So I'm uploading it here. So I'm gonna select this second image. It's basically an image that describes our combo packages, so I will describe that. Select one of our combo packages. Okay, so I'm done here. As you can see, the image uploaded, that it will replace this image in the back once the video is done, and I will just over here click next. So over here I'll do pretty much of the same thing. So I want to select this image, for example, which reflects some sort of relaxing treatment, and I'll click next. I'll replace this image again. Okay, which tells us that we do booking via WhatsApp. Okay, that's scene number 4, and scene number 5 is the last one. I'll just replace this with book now. I'll enter our WhatsApp number. And that's pretty much it with all of the scenes. And over here, select our last image, which is our logo, and I'll just write over here, book now. Now enter our number for WhatsApp appointments. And that's pretty much it. So here I can choose the colors for the primary text that appear in the video. So I'll just select, for example, this color. You see, you can change to yellow, and then change back to blue. So I'll just put yellow here, and for the secondary color I can choose custom colors, but I'll just leave that as is, and then I'll just click next. Then over here I can choose different type of music that I want to be played in the background while the video goes. Let me see which one is selected by default. I can change that to that or this. Or this one, but I pretty much like this one. I like this one, but if I wanted to change, I'll just click here and it will change the music over here. But as I want this one, I'll just click next, and then I'll start rendering. And I'll just click next over here, and the video will start rendering, and I'll just wait a little bit until it's done soon. So as you can see, the video has now finished rendering, as it is showing here as complete. If I actually click over here, the video will play here. But what I can actually do here, I can just download it and start posting this particular video on any of my social media profiles or whatever. And you know, Facebook used to accept video covers like this one, before, but for some reason they have stopped, and now they only accept images on their profile covers. But regardless of that, this type of cover videos can still be used on strategic places of your website. For example, here on the salon portion of our website, we have added this video here as we introducing the health and beauty salon, as people can scroll down and see some of the services that my wife actually provide. And not only that, you can post it on other social profile, like for example over here in our Google My Business page, we have actually posted this particular video over here, and I will actually play it in a while so that you can actually see the end result of it. But you can post it anywhere else, in YouTube, or maybe even some digital billboards, or even LED screens if you ever wanted to take your promotion offline. So with that said, let me actually play it here so you can see this video that we just created over here. Let's just see how it turned out on our Google My Business. Just take a look. So as you can see, that was pretty nice, right? So you can be doing videos like this using this particular software over here. You just click here, you download the video that you can create. Uses, like I said before, is many different templates here that you have over here. And that's pretty much it as far as using the video cover Taboo software. It is that's it, that's simple. So thank you.